Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Here's the Aukey 27W PD 3.0 wall charger, and it's quite small. So that's it for the unboxing. There's a couple of details in there, but we'll get to that in just a moment. So here it is. This is a flip-out design for the wall charging part. This is 27 watts with PowerDelivery, and it's version 3.0. So you can even charge tablets, smartphones, and even smaller laptops with this, Mac and PC. So basically the unboxing is that. They have the 24-month warranty card. You have to register it, and then a user manual. But it's really as simple as plugging it in to the wall, and there you go. 27 watts. It's very small. You'll probably want this for the new iPhone 12, whatever it may be when it's coming out soon, and all the other devices that can use this PowerDelivery technology. And this is from Aukey. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.